Audio not matching video on Netflix can ruin the whole experience in just 10 seconds. Today on Tech Vibes, I will show you real, tested, and workable fixes used by technicians worldwide. First, understand the problem. Netflix audio mismatch usually happens because of audio processing delay, network buffering, or device sync errors. This issue is common on smart televisions, Android TV, Fire TV, Chromecast, gaming consoles, and soundbars. Step 1. Restart properly. Close the Netflix app completely. Restart your television or streaming device. Unplug the power cable. Wait for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This clears temporary memory glitches that cause audio delay. Step 2. Check internet stability. Netflix needs stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Avoid weak Wi-Fi signals. If possible, use 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz. Restart your router and modem. Streaming lag often causes audio to play ahead or behind video. Step 3. Fix Netflix app issues. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to Netflix, then go to Storage, then go to Clear Cache. Do not clear data unless necessary. Update the Netflix app to the latest version. Outdated apps cause sync bugs. Step 4. Match audio format. Go to Settings, then go to Sound, then go to Audio Output. Set audio format to PCM, which means pulse code modulation. Disable Dolby Digital Plus temporarily. Advanced audio formats sometimes delay sound on budget hardware. Step 5. Check television audio delay settings. Go to Settings, then go to Sound, then go to Audio Delay or Lip Sync. Set audio delay to 000 milliseconds. If audio is ahead, increase delay slowly. If audio is behind, reduce delay. Step 6. Soundbar and home theater fix. If you use HDMI ARTS or EARC, update your soundbar firmware. Set digital audio output to auto or PCM. Disable extra sound effects like virtual surround or clear voice. These effects add processing time. Step 7. Refresh rate and frame sync. Go to Settings, then go to Display, then go to Advanced Display. Enable Match Frame Rate or Match Content Frame Rate. This keeps video timing aligned with audio. Step 8. Bluetooth warning. Bluetooth headphones always add delay. Use wired headphones or television speakers for perfect sync. Final fix. Uninstall Netflix and reinstall it if nothing works. This resets corrupted configuration files. Outro. These solutions are technician tested and work in real life. If this helped you, stay tuned to Tech Vibes for more clean and practical tech fixes.